Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Sandrine, and for today's video, I am actually going to the YouTube creator camp today, and then yeah, let's see what happens. It's my first time, so I'm kind of nervous, but at least I know a few people, so yeah, we're going. And by the way, this is how my outfit looks like. I am just wearing a denim jacket and then also mom jeans and yeah, a red tank top inside that's straight cut and a few necklaces. As of the moment, I'm actually waiting for Bella. That's Bella, if you guys watch her. She's on the way, and then we are going sabay, and then we're gonna go in. She's here na. Okay, so we are inside now, and I'm with Bella, and then we're just waiting for the program to start, and she's gonna be singing later. Oh my god, vlog! Thank you!
So good morning guys, my name is Mikey Bustos, and I'm here to talk to you about raising the bar on YouTube.
Okay, so Bella is gonna be singing with her other friends and other YouTubers, so I'm gonna be filming it for her. Hi! It's my first time meeting her!
Hi, Ashley!
Hi!
Parang dati na nag-uusap lang tayo, nagsisimula ako pala. Tapos ngayon, grabe.
So Kuya Matt used to be my handler from Adover Studios, and he's now a YouTuber also.
YouTuber na rin ako!
Ano channel mo? Ano channel mo?
Search na lang po ako, Matt Nicolay. Yan po ang YouTube channel ko. Yay! Thank you, Ashley!
They're vloggers. Vloggers?
Yeah.
Go vlog!
Hi! So I just met Rax.
Guys, sobrang flawless niya.
Ang ganda ng makeup niya. And this is Riza. Hi, I missed you. Look at her makeup. Oh, it's so nice. Grabe. Oh.
Highlight.
Huh?
My goal.
What's my highlight? My highlight is the MAC Soft and Gentle.
Oh, my God, girl!
MAC girl!
Ayun yung pangganda.
Patingin ng nails, patingin. Ang taray. Oh. Tapos ang sport niya, ano?
Mas mahaba pa to kasi sa mga naging relasyon ko, girl.
Ang sport niya, boxing.
Yeah, boxing vlogger. Boxing.
Sometimes
We are now in our class, which is production, and I feel like I'm in school, where it's like we're film viewing right
some
there.
very use close-ups and they save it for when they really want to have a strong emotional scene.
So Isha is here also. Bye! So we are first kasi separate car kami nila Krisha. And then now we're here at Happy Frosting. We're about to have dinner kasi kanina pa kami sa car. And we're so hungry na. So we might eat here first before going to Taytay to the market later. So we changed venues tapos now nasa Ihaw Place kami, and then we're about to get dinner kasi the first store was full of desserts pala, so we're gonna eat here. Sila Krisha, they're here na din. They're just taking photos outside.
Ikaw yan, ikaw ang kailangan sa lighting. Ayaw ko pa pala. Actually, yung gabi yan, Shaisha. Ako nag-ano, OJT. Ay, naman yung camera ko. Ashley, first timer kami guys, lahat sa Taytay. Si Ashley ang expert sa amin. So,
First time, and then second time ko. Struggling.
ang nice, ang ganda.
Hi. She got the
Red velvet.
wait. Ayan, tinan mo hindi ko mapakita. Ayan, there. The red
Parang-
velvet, and then I got the chocolate one.
Ay, nagre-record. Kunyari, ano? Music video. Oh, nice. Grabe yung forehead. Nice din. Parang pwede kayong manalamin sa ano ko. Pero, tinan niyo naman blue eyeshadow ko. Buhay na buhay.
So she's the owner of Happy Frostings, and it's so good, guys. Sobrang sarap nung cupcake. As you can see, wait lang, paano ba natin ito i-control? As you can see, ubos na. If you guys are in Taytay, go visit Happy Frostings.
Hindi na ba kayo
So, magsha-shopping na tayo. We are in Taytay.
Expert. Ay, ang dami.
Kasi lahat sila,
Naka-heart-heart na yung
Ay!
mata mo.
it's their first time. It's their first time here. So,
Doon tayo maliit sila. Oo, dito sila.
let's go! Paano tayo tatawid?
Body-body, pag-niligaw. Body-body tayo.
So, now we are in Bagpi na.
Ano kami magsisimula?
Where are we going?
Feeling ko ito yung part na... Sorry pa, wait lang po.
Ang sikip.
Ito yung technique na pag nagustuhan mo na kukunin mo.
Oo, kasi pag hindi, like,
Hindi mo na
oo,
mababalikan
hindi mo na
yun.
siya mahahanap. Let's go.
Buhay na buhay yung blue eyeshadow ko, guys. Ayun.
Cute, diba? Cute siya. Guys.
Sakto lang ang damit bukas.
So we went ahead kasi ang dami namin and like it was so crowded and it would take us so long kung magsasama-sama kami. So now it's me and Riza. Nakabili na siya ng skirt.
Nag-iisa. So,
Hi! What's your name?
Ashley na Vanji.
Hi, Banji. Hi! Guess what's up? Kamusta naman ang na-shopping?
Siya
Ni
rin
Mami
talaga.
Aisha. Na may
Dalawang
dalang
cabinet.
Shopwise na bag.
Puro towel.
Yan.
Kasi walang kasya sa akin.
Maming mami!
Walang kasya. Walang kasya ang towel.
May sinasabi siya.
Kung may XB, may bag B. Pinilit ko.
So, we dropped Riza off na kasi she didn't drive kanina. So, now she made sabay. Tapos sila Krisha, they were in the other car kasi they're all staying in the same house ata. Bye!
Pero kami yung parang pa-swimsuit na kami.
Bye! It's like 12:34 and we stopped to grab coffee on the way home. So, I'm with Pat. And yeah, we're just gonna eat first before going home. Ito po yung paninda nila Fatima, galing Taytay. Kamusta naman? Magkano po ba? 20-20 lang.
20-20 lang po. Gusto yung pabili. Nakakaya.
Bye! Hiyang-hiya sila guys, oh. Hi love! So, ito na. I'm home and it was such a tiring day, but like I was so happy that I went because I met so many people and they were all so accommodating. They were so kind. It was my first time to meet them and like I felt like we've been friends for so long. So happy that I was able to go to Taytay also. It was such a spontaneous trip. It was just like kasi sila Krisha, they were saying that they were gonna go and then they asked me if I wanted to. And I was like, okay, sige, I'm not doing anything today, so sige, I'll go with you. And then when Riza came, we were like, we're going to Taytay. Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? And then she was like, sige, sige, punta tayo. So yeah, that's how we all ended up like bonding together. And yeah, it was just such a good day. I'm super tired though. So I am ending the vlog here. Please don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe if you haven't yet. And also, please click on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Please just bear with me first with the quality of my videos because I am still using my phone and I'm waiting for my camera to get fixed. So yeah, just bear with me. I really want to vlog so that I can show you guys. So right now I'm just working with what I have. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. Thank you. So that's it for today guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, loves.